Hello, good morning, Daniel.
Good morning, Emma. How are you today?
I am very well, thank you. And you?
I am good too.
What time did you wake up this morning?
I woke up at 6:30 in the morning. What about you?
I woke up at 5:30. I woke up early because I had many things to do.
Oh, really? That is very early.
First, I brushed my teeth. Then, I washed my face.
Did you take a shower after that?
Yes, I did. Then, I cleaned my room.
Very nice. You are very organized.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs. And I drink coffee.
That sounds delicious. I ate bananas and oatmeal.
Healthy food is very important.
How do you go to school every day?
I usually take the bus. What about you?
I walk to school because my house is nearby.
Walking is good for your health.
What is your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is English.
Why do you like English?
Because I enjoy speaking and learning new words.
That is wonderful. I also love English.
Good morning, students. Today, we will practice English conversation.
Teacher, how can we improve our English?
Practice every day. Speak slowly. Listen carefully. And do not fear mistakes.
Sometimes I feel nervous when I speak English.
That is normal. Confidence comes with practice.
Emma, what are you eating for lunch today?
I have rice, chicken, and vegetables.
That looks very tasty.
Thank you. Did you bring your lunch from home?
Yes. My mother prepared it this morning.
What do you usually do after school?
After school, I go home and rest.
Then what do you do?
I do my homework and help my parents.
That is very responsible.
Do you watch English videos online?
Yes, every evening.
What kind of videos do you watch?
I watch easy English conversations for beginners.
That is a very good idea.
What time do you usually sleep?
I usually sleep at 10 o'clock.
Me too. Sleeping early is important.
Yes. It helps the body rest well.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like playing soccer with my cousins.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I like spending time with my family and friends. Daniel, I enjoyed talking with you today.
Me too. Emma.
Practicing English every day is very helpful.
Yes. The more we practice, the better we become.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you for watching all the videos. If you enjoyed this lesson, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your support helps us create more free English lessons for you. New lessons every week.